here's a trial here that we go doing. This is the Pioneer. This is the Master's Choice 82 day. These 3 rows here, Pioneer, Master Choice 82, and then the 75 day. First it's a 7822, then the Master's Choice 82 day, then the 75 day. Here's a little corn update. Today is Wednesday. We got a chopper booked for Monday. We're just gonna measure out 17.5 feet. So I got them peeled back here. This is a Pioneer. I believe it's a 7822. It's a 78 day, I believe. So decent sized cob, filled out to the top. Then we're down to the Master's Choice here. Cobs are sitting a little higher, but the problem is they didn't fill out all the way to the top. You see that? That's on majority of all the cobs here. This one here also didn't fill out. So the plant is really high. It's higher than the other ones. And then the other, this is an 82 day Master's Choice. And then this one here is a 75 day, I believe. So this one's actually not too bad. It didn't fill all the way out as well, but it's better than the 82 day, I believe. And then the majority of the field that we have is in the next row over. And this is the one that I like. It's a 74 or 75-74 Pioneer. Fills out right to the top. Good long cob. Very healthy looking plant as well. Down the rows, this is our majority of our field looks like this. It's mostly 74 or 75-74. Then you have the Master's Choice 75 day. Then you have the 82 day, which is a lot greener of a plant if you compare it to the Pioneers on the right. And then you got your 78 day Pioneer on that row. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut down 17.5 feet of corn and weigh it. And then we're gonna get our tonnage, and I guess you times it by 1,000, and that's how you get your tonnage per acre. So we're gonna do that now. There, that's 17.5 feet. Now we'll weigh all these cobs, all the corn plants. Well, we got her all chopped off, 17.5 feet. 4 varieties, 4 rows. The Pioneer 78, Master's Choice 82, Master's Choice 75, and then my majority of my field is 75-74 Pioneer. So here it is on the other side. Got your Pioneer cob, 78 day. Got your Master's Choice, 82 day. Not a bad cob. I'll split them in a sec. This is your other Master's Choice 75 day, which is not bad. And then your 75, 74 Pioneer. I'll split them. Again, here's the 78 day Pioneer, split open. Here's the Master's Choice, split open. Here's the other 75 day Master's Choice. Again, decent cob. And then your Pioneer 75 day. So yeah, now we'll pack everything up and we'll go weigh some corn. 4 varieties. Don't forget, Pioneer, Master's Choice, Pioneer. So here's the visual on the ground in the bunker. Pioneer 7822R. And we have the Master's Choice 3227. And we have another Master's Choice here. And then again, our majority of the field that we have is this variety here, 7574. So visually, this one looks drier, more dead leaves. Master's Choice looks really good, pretty green. Master's Choice 75 almost looks comparable to that Pioneer 78 day. This is a 75, so that makes sense. And then this is a 75 day. Greener plant, probably not as dry as that one and that one there. We have 77.8 pounds on this variety, which is 7574. We should put a tape measure on that for height. It was 133 inches. Gives you an idea. No, 57.9. Master's Choice 2552, 75 day. The plant looks a little bit shorter. The other one was up to that line there, but we'll measure it at 119 inches. Just measured it. Just looks overall a little bit less tonnage. Well, this is the Master's Choice, 135 centimeters. It was a little bit taller than the Pioneer, but not by much. It's pretty much identical. And we're just gonna weigh this one now. This one here is 86.8. This one here, 74.8. It's 118 inches, just did a measurement. Pioneer 7822, 74 pounds. So I just counted all the stalks per bundle. I'm gonna go out to the field and just double check. But I got here 31, I got 35, I got 29, and I got 33. The darker, taller, different color over there, that's the Master's Choice. You can probably make that out. The taller plant, it's the third one in. Back at the cornfield here, we're just gonna count the stalks. I don't know if that makes a difference at all in the weights, but I'm gonna count them either way. So the Pioneer 7822 had 41 of these stalks that I cut down, but some of them were suckers and I included those as well. And then we got 36 on the Master's Choice. that row there. And the other Master's Choice, we got 32, but there's a big gap from this stalk to that stalk. And then there's 32 again on the Pioneer 75, 74. So I'm not too sure how this affects. Probably should add another 2 at least in the Master's Choice 75 day. Well, to make it fair, I think I'm gonna count out the stalks and make it all equal. I'm gonna count out 32 and reweigh everything. Next process I'm gonna do is take all the cobs off the stalks and then weigh them separately. So this is the Pioneer 75, 74. And what do we got for weight here? 28.2, 28.2. So I just pulled off all the cobs off each variety and weighed them. This is the Master's Choice. You can see that they didn't fill out all the way. Had a lot of potential. Big cobs. This is the other Master's Choice here. Here's the Pioneer 75, 74. Had a couple double cobs on the stalk, but the doubles are nothing really to be proud of. But it had more doubles than the other ones. And here's the Pioneer 7822. So what I did is I went, I didn't go back out to the field to get more plants to make it equal. I just basically counted out 30 stalks for each variety and reweighed them all. And then I did some calculations because supposedly you have to have 36 plants per 17.5 feet in a row. And then you can calculate your tonnage per acre. So I got some math here on the paper. The Pioneer is 77.16 plant weight, cob weight. You can see it all for yourself. So the two that are really close together is your Pioneer 75, 74 and your Master's Choice. The other two that are kind of behind is your Pioneer 7822 and then your Master's Choice 2552. That's it for today, for today's video. Thanks for watching, and looking forward to the tests results. That'll be coming in a couple weeks. We just sent that away today. As you've seen in the beginning of the video, we chipped it with a little wood chipper into bags. So we're gonna send that off to get tested. Stay tuned, keep watching back for that information, and I'll post the test results on each variety. That'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching.